And like I said before, this tape was given to Miss Niemeyer or Miss Moon or Mr. Willie or Miss Babiak or Mrs. Nichols. Coming soon to a theater near you.
Tom Lowry and his family are starting a new life. They've left the big city behind for the slower pace offered by a new home in the countryside. But an uninvited house guest is about to change their lives in ways they never imagined. The Lowrys may have left the city for a simpler life, but things are about to get hectic.
This dog is pregnant, Mr. Lowry.
Going to the dogs, 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 going to the dogs. From Tag Entertainment comes The Retrievers, a heartwarming story about a golden retriever named Pilot, who along with her litter of pups, teaches the Lowrys some big lessons about life, love, family, and what's truly important. The Retrievers, coming soon on DVD and VHS. Available only from Sterling Home Entertainment.